Hello everyone, it's me, Edward Avila, back shopping in Korea / Be Me on air. And as you can see, I've got a handsome young man next to me named Roy. Would you like to introduce yourself, Roy?
Hi guys, this is Roy. I'm the brand manager of the Papa Recipe.
Ooh, professional, simple, and clean. I love that. So today, Papa Recipe, skincare brand of the world. We've got two main lines that we brought today.
One for the eggplant line. Here it comes. And the other one,
This is
talk
me.
about.
This is me. PD name 어떡해? It keeps falling.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Because you want to talk about the eggplant line first, right?
Yeah.
You were telling me with Paparazzi's eggplant line
Yeah. At least like 60% of eggplant extracts.
in each product,
In each
which
product.
is a lot. Let's start with the eggplant line.
Yeah.
You want to start with the toner pads?
Yeah.
So the toner pad, how would you describe this one? What is she for?
Like for me,
Mm-hmm.
like I use it every morning and night.
Mm-hmm.
Because like even after when I wake up, there are so many dots on my face. You don't really see dots on my face.
Yeah.
But you will see how dirty my face is. Can you see this?
Boy.
Anyways, they cannot really see it, but it's really dirty.
It's really disgusting, Roy. Next, after the toner,
Actually, this one is like miniature.
yeah, this is as well as
Samples.
a sample size, but this is sold as a full size.
Yeah.
Um,
This was a micro repair serum. This one is actually the brand new product. The repair cream, the eye cream, and the serums, these are the good for like tightening your skin, rejuvenate, like make your skin back to like teenage.
back to teenage skin. We love those buzzwords.
Yeah.
So after that, okay, so this is the eggplant line again.
The most important.
The most important, the eggplant clearing cream cleans it from dust and
Dust and all the like the skin troubles, like pimples and troubles.
you said how much eggplant did you say was in this one?
72%.
72%, honey. So with cream, we're gonna use a little bit.
Am I looking good on?
You look so good, Roy. You look so damn good. So besides the skincare that we showed you, they do have the cleansing foam
Yeah.
and the mud mask. The foam, it says here 5.5 cleansing foam. The 5.5 meaning it's pH balance. 이거 되게 this is really
Chewy.
chewy.
Even after the cleansing foam, you don't feel dry. Your skin.
되게 좋다. This one, it's super creamy and soft.
Those like small pieces of micro walnuts that really help to scrub, but never like scratch in your face.
I see. Eye cream technically is part of the honey line, but since we're talking about your skincare routine, toner, serum, moisturizer, and you say you use eye cream last. I've heard that there are studies though that it doesn't matter what the routine, like what order you do. I always thought it should be thinnest to heaviest texture, but there have been studies that said that it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I would recommend for those who are even young because like young people they don't really care about their wrinkles when they're
Yeah.
young because they don't have wrinkles. But we have to get prepared.
맞아.
Like this line,
Yeah.
it's really easy to get the wrinkles.
Yeah,
but
which-
once it plays on your face, never goes off.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
why I'm going to the hospital to get surgery tomorrow to fix that.
Where's the hospital? I need to go there too.
We can go together. We can get as we're getting surgery. We're gonna hold hands and wish each other good luck. Oh my god, I really want to talk about this first because this was the one. This is the product that I heard about you guys from. We prepared a cup for you to show you how much is in there. This, if you like the smell of honey, it smells so good.
Can you see this?
This is so cute. 이거 너무 귀여워. This is the Bombee honey pudding cream. The little, I guess, special little interesting thing about it is that it kind of maintains like memory.
Yeah, it memories its own shape.
Yeah, it's almost like a memory foam bed where it maintains its shape. Let's see how well it spreads on the hand. It literally feels like a
Honey.
It feels like those like kids jelly like candy from the
Yeah.
편의점.
Like entire whole
이거 너무 많은 거
face.
아니야?
No.
아닌가?
They're using these products before they put the makeups.
So you get that like really chok-choks.
Yeah.
Earlier it was like this jagged little thing, but now
It didn't melt. It
it's like
come back
look
to
at
its
that.
original shape.
You see? Also this one, the hole is gone. 신기하다.
Yeah.
That's so 신기방기.
And people saying that jelly memory things like makes your skin come back to like it's tightening.
Yes, because if you put it on the skin right, and it goes back to its kind of like form, and it
Right.
almost like, oh my, do you see my hand? Oh, okay.
Imagine that you're putting now your
on your
foundation.
face. Yeah.
After
Even,
this.
even if you don't wear foundation, though, it almost like creates like a glass effect
Right.
on your. Oh, okay. And then right before we sign off, do you want to talk about the cleansing foam? It kind of also has a. It's a little bit more foamy than that one, right? The
Yeah.
eggplant one.
This one is good for those who have the sensitive skin.
Oh my god, you're a sexy skin.
No,
That
sensitive.
would be him, honey.
Sensitive skin. But for this one, for those who have like really like dehydrated skin, like dry skin type, they're definitely gonna love this.
Because it has more moisture in it, right?
Yeah.
You're saying it's really kind of like that one, kind of like really bouncy and thick,
And how chewy,
chewy again.
even after the cleansing form, you don't have to even worry about like, which cream they have to put.
Yeah.
It keeps your skin really moisturized.
Yeah, I normally wouldn't recommend cleansing foam for dry skin, but this has that really thick feeling to it. Of course, I mean, I don't know anybody that doesn't do their skincare immediately after cleansing, but this one, 되게 촉촉해. So, that was Papa Recipe, man.
This is Papa Recipe.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say to the viewers before we leave?
Like thanks for all of you, including you. And this is my first time to do the live streaming.
No problem.
I think it's really have fun.
All right, so we want to thank you for everyone for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one. 안녕.
Bye bye.